What is going on, everyone? This is Raphael from Self-Made Profits, and if you're looking for a way to earn some extra money online, you're looking to start working from home, you've come to the right place. Today I'll be going over an easy side gig that'll allow you to get paid very fast. Okay, before I do that, guys, please make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell. That way you're notified every time I put out content like this to help you make money from home. Okay, with that being said, guys, the website you want to go to is called Micro Workers. So you want to go to Google, put in Micro Workers, then you're going to click the top link here. It's going to take you straight to the website. And what Micro Workers is that some companies, they like to make their day-to-day operations a little bit easier. So they like to hire freelancers, people that you know, need flexibility. They don't have that much time to be at a 9 to 5. They rather just be working on their own time. They hire people like that to do those type of jobs for them. Basically like a virtual assistant. A personal assistant, basically. So Micro Workers allows this to happen. Okay, so they have the freelancers on this site here, and they have the companies that's registered on the same site, and they go ahead and put out their jobs. And you, as a freelancer, you'll just come on here on this website, you'll register, you'll log in, and you can find a lot of jobs on here that you can do, and that'll earn you some money. Okay, so they pay out, I would say they pay out every Wednesday and Sunday every week. So they pay out twice a week, and you're able to go ahead and get paid by PayPal. So this is good for anybody all over the world. You can be all over the world and you can get paid with this company here. Okay. So I will go over it for you and basically let you know more details about this company here. Now this is my account here. And if you come down here and you look at the jobs that they have here, it's a lot of different jobs that they have here. Okay. And they do pay, some pay a little bit more than the others. Some pay like 10 cents a job. But if you're good at most of these and you're doing like maybe 10 to 15 of these simple jobs here, you're going to get paid a good amount just for that 1 hour that you've worked. Okay, so you can come here, look at the jobs that you want to do, and basically sign up for them. Some of them are going to be like taking a survey. Some going to be like this here. You could do a phone call. You're like testing, you're calling the company and doing a phone call test, and you earn 50 cents for that. Some are, you play fun games and contests. You get 11 cents for that. It's a lot of different stuff. Okay. Some here, this one here, you just basically download plus install and screenshot that you downloaded this app, and you get paid $1.01 for that. Okay. This one here, you go to YouTube, watch, like, plus subscribe the channel. You get 35 cents for that. So it's a lot of different little gigs here that you can do, and you're gonna get paid for it. Okay, so this is why the site is called Micro Workers, because it allows you to come here, do some minimal task, and basically get paid for it. Okay, you're gonna start earning money for it, and then you can go ahead and cash that out to your PayPal. Okay, or also I think they do Dwala also, and they do Payoneer. So a couple of different ways you can get paid out with Micro Workers. All right, so we can come over here to, let's see here, we go to support, and we're gonna go to the FAQs. And if you ever want to know anything about any company, any of these websites, you'll just make sure you could go to FAQ so you can basically get a good idea of how everything works here. Okay. So it says, who are the workers? It says anyone can also be a worker. You can be a stay-at-home mom, a student who needs extra spending money, or if you simply love helping others while making some extra cash alongside, this is the place for you. Joining Micro Workers as a worker does not mean you are employed by the site. Instead, you will be working as a freelancer. With that, you can work as much or as little as you want. At the same time, your potential for earning is also limitless, since you can accept all the jobs you believe you are capable of completing and get paid for them. So this is pretty good, guys. You get to choose the jobs that you want to do. You get to work on your own time. You set your own schedule of when you want to do these jobs, and you're going to get paid for them. Okay, so this is perfect for anybody that has extra time besides their 9 to 5 to do work, or they just have all the time in the world to really do this kind of job. This is perfect for that kind of person. Okay. So you can definitely come here, read up on most of this stuff, and get a better idea of how everything works with Micro Workers. All right, I definitely wanted to bring this to you guys. If you guys found this content valuable, please go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel. I will definitely be putting out more videos just like this, just to help you start working from home, start creating that flexibility in life. Okay, with that being said, guys, become self-made today and stay blessed.